Welcome to Hair4all. This is the new door. I think a couple of people outside have heard me say that already. Thank you for staying quiet. And we're coming into the new building. It's been redesigned, painted and decorated this weekend. There's a kitchen. This is the back door, so consultations don't come in here, but I've come through this way because it's wet outside. There's a toilet. Toilet's had a nice lick of paint. Styling room 3 in there. So we go down the hall. Now I'm going to walk all the way to the end. Okay? Get fit doing this. So, the experience of the consultation and client. So I do the consultation. The consultation comes, knocks the door. You come in. You're greeted by a staff member here. Hello, nice to meet you. And you're sat down in one of these chairs. And the best part of this is it's private. So everybody's. I can remember going to my consultation. I was really nervous, and I walked in. I was put in a room, and I was really grateful. This is in the 90s, and so I sat there and got used to the atmosphere. So basically, you can sit here in private and watch the TV if you had to fix that, or set it up. Internet TV, playing videos, most likely hair systems, and probably a bit of promotional stuff about what's on offer for people that come and see us. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So it takes out that walking into a place and feeling that you're being looked at. So you come through and I'll say, come into my consultation room, which is here. See, the lights are making it flash a bit. One of those things, I guess. And there's a mirror. Crikey, it is really flashing. It's the lighting. I have to sort that out, obviously. Then out of the consultation room, this is another workstation for the stylist. Many sit here, but I'm having a breakfast bar put in here this Thursday. Got a telephone line, so the stylist can work from their iPads, doing appointments, etc. Then we go into the admin office. Nice size. The engine room, as they call it. So that's good. I'm really pleased with that. And then we come into the salon side. This is another workstation for the stylists that clean the hair system when they're removed and do the prep work for new systems that come in, fittings on the day. So then we go into styling room 1. Lick of paint, as you can see. TV, mirrors, mirror in the bathroom, please walk free. I got that wrong. The door is locked. Anyway, I've stopped that. And here we go. Then we go into styling room 2. Lick of paint, as you can see. TV, people come in for the regrooms, nice and relaxed. Thumbs up. That's typical me. Dyslexic Phil. 1, 2, 4. Styling room 4 should be 3. Oh dear, typical. Okay, nice lick of paint. This is a smaller one, but it's quite good. You've got the TV there. Brand Hair4all. There we go, fantastic. And like you say, we come up to where I started. Just saw my finger come in the end. And that's it. That's a tour of Hair4all. Very excited about the new business model. Doing webinars, podcasts, etc. Encouraging people to come in and learn how to do a hair system. I'll just come in here and explain this. We're having built in each salon a place where stainless steel here where the stylist can teach clients how to apply the systems themselves and basically stay in the room with them and give them the experience, because my goal is to get everybody as self-sufficient as I am. Literally, this took me to remove, to put on and get ready like this, no kidding, 49 minutes today. So I don't find it any problem at all. So I've obviously got to pass that message on to everybody to get people as good as me, so it enhances your lifestyle and you can enjoy hair, because I certainly am. Anyway, thank you for the tour.